Hi, my name is Mary Dignan-Hill, and welcome to my newest listing located at 17630 Kittridge Street in one of the most charming pockets of Lake Balboa. At just under 1,700 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been lovingly cared for by the same family for multiple generations. The partially open floor plan creates a natural flow that feels inviting from the moment you step inside. The remodeled kitchen features a generous peninsula with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an adjacent laundry room for everyday ease. Each bedroom offers ample space for a peaceful retreat at the end of the day, and both bathrooms have been remodeled with clean, timeless finishes. The backyard includes a large covered patio, a garden-like setting, and an extended garage that can be used as a workshop or for additional storage. Thank you for joining me on a tour of this wonderful property. For more information, please feel free to reach out.